Hello students, I am Nitanand Upadhyay and I am going to teach you HTML. We have covered few sessions and today we will face the session 5. In last session, I have taught you about the tables in HTML, how to insert table. Today we will learn few new tags and I will show you how to apply a table on web page with the HTML code. Okay, so let's start. Image in HTML means how you can insert an image on your web page. So img tag, we use img tag. This tag is used to insert an image on our web page. src is its main attribute that gives the path or file name of picture we want to insert. Height and width are also its attributes that fixes the size, means height and width used to fix the size of image on our web page. And don't worry, it's not about the MB, it's about the particular its shape. Okay. Now syntax will be img src path of file name, means path of the particular file where you have saved the picture. Height, you can give it in point or pixel. Width, you can provide it in point and pixel. Now note, we provide only image file name along with its extension only if the HTML document saved on the same location. Otherwise, we have to provide the full path of an image. It means if you have saved your HTML document in D drive without any folder, so if your image is also available in D drive without any folder, so you have to give only and only the file name with its extension. But if you have saved your particular HTML document in D drive, and if you are going to insert an image which has been saved in E drive, at that time you have to provide the full path of the image. Now just see the code. In the code I have written HTML, then head, then title, and then the title name NNA, and then title close. Now in head I have closed the head, then I have opened body. In body I have used center as h1 my collections, and then I have closed the heading tag. Then I have used table, and inside the table, all of you know that table is used to insert a table on your web page, so that's why I have used table. Cell spacing, as you have learned in the previous session, cell spacing used to specify the space between the edge of two cells, so I have given its value as 10 point. Now I have fixed the border of the table as 2 point. Then I have opened a TR for fixing the very first row of the table. Inside the TR I have used TD, and inside TD, as you can see, I have used the img tag. In img tag I have used src attribute which keep the name of the particular file, and I have used height and width attributes with their particular values. Okay, so in the first TD I have taken the first picture, in the second TD I have taken the second picture, then I have closed the TR tag. Now again I have fixed a new row in the table, and in that, in the very first cell, now you have to focus on this. img src equal to f is the name of drive, CCC is the name of folder, and image is a subfolder, and in subfolder there is a picture named q3 with the extension .jpg. So it is the full path as I have explained in before 2 minutes. Then if our HTML document and the picture is saved on the same position, at that time we have to give only the image name with its extension. But if our particular picture location is totally different from the location of HTML document, at that time we have to provide the full path. So you can see in second row, in the very first cell and in the last cell, I have used the full path of the picture I want to insert on our web page. Okay, so and that after that I have closed both TD, then TR, I have closed TR, I have closed the table, I have closed the center tag, then I have closed the body tag, and then HTML also. So this is the particular code which illustrate how we can insert a table along with the image also. Okay, now just see the output. What will be the output of this code? Just see, this is the output. Inside the body I have written my collection, so it is become in center because of the center tag. And now you can see there's a table 2 by 2, means there's 2 columns and 2 rows. So 2 rows and 2 columns in this particular table, and you can see I have inserted 4 pictures also. Okay, clear? You can see the border also, you can see the cell spacing also. So this is the way how to insert a table and how to insert an image in our web page, how to fix their sizes also. Okay student, now hyperlink. How to insert hyperlink? So with the help of anchor tag we can insert hyperlink. This tag is used to insert hyperlink on our web page. So href is its main attributes that keeps the path or URL of the web page we want to link in current document. Now href equal to URL, path, hypertext, and we have to close anchor tag. Now hyperlink in HTML. Now just consider the code. In this one, inside the body I have used the center tag, and in heading I have written my link, and in anchor tag in href attribute I have given the URL of a website www.google.com, and I have provided a hypertext as my Google, and I have closed the anchor tag. Then I have closed the center tag, and then body, and then HTML. So this will be the output, my link and my Google. So my link is normal text and my Google is hypertext, which is known as a hyperlink also. And if you will click on my Google using internet connection, it will open the home page of Google. Okay students, so this is how to we have learned today how to insert image, how to apply table, and how to insert hyperlink in web page. Thank you students, thanks for watching my videos.